To all students out there, especially visual learners, this video is for you. Do you want to level up your note-taking game, or are you fond of mind maps? Or simply want to try out a new method to organize and plan something? If your answer is yes on all of my questions, then the app that I will share with you today, Scrintal, will be a great help. I will be dividing this video into parts. Starting with, so what is Scrintal? Scrintal is a digital note-taking web app. It allows you to organize and connect all your thoughts in one space. This is very helpful for visual learners out there. This is not only limited to students. Anyone can use this to write down ideas, outline thoughts, manage projects, etc. It is also very easy to use and navigate. Just stay tuned, guys, because I will share with you the features and the basics on how you can use this app. Next, let us proceed to the devices where you can use Scrintal. Since Scrintal is an online web app, you can basically access this on any of your devices. It is accessible on tablets, iPads, laptops, and PC. And I think the app will also be available on mobile phones in the future. Now I will talk about the features and on how you can use it. Upon opening the app, you will have an entirely blank space. So this is what they call the desk, an infinite space where you will place your notes and some information. On the side, you will see here buttons that will help you navigate the app. There is also a search bar above if you want to look for a topic or an idea quickly. So to start, double click on the desk. You will have this like a blank notepad. Add a title to it, and you can now start adding information. By pressing on the slant line on your keyboard, it will show you the available commands. You can upload an image, a PDF, links, lists, etc. on the card. Here are some examples. As you can see in the right side corner, there are more menus that you can use to manipulate the card. By clicking the three dots, you can share the card, save it as a PDF, or change its color. They have pastel choices for the card's color. You can also locate, maximize, and close it. You can also place some hashtags so that you will not have a hard time looking for the information included in a specific topic. Aside from double clicking on the space, you can also click the Create Empty Card button to add a card. Next, you can add a daily card. This is just the same with the usual card, but the difference is that it has a date. This is best if you want to create a to-do list, or you just simply add an information or a reminder for that day. So if you want a mind map layout, add a new card and add a title. Or you can use an existing card that is already on your desk. Let's say you can place here the general idea of the linked notes you'll be doing. Under it, click on the plus button on your keyboard and type the new card you will be linking. Or you can link an existing card by clicking on the plus icon again and typing the title of that card. You can link as many cards as you want. You can use this to brainstorm or plan something, like preparing for a group activity. On one card, you can place all your references. On the other card is your presentation's flow, and on the other will be some additional notes. It depends on you how you will make use of it. So if you have various linked notes, like notes for school, your personal notes, etc., you can further organize them to access them easily. To do this, you can add them to a board. Highlight a group of cards, right-click on it, click Create Board, and add a title. You can do this to your other cards to be organized. Going back to the buttons on the sides, you can add a free text to your desk. This can serve as a title or a header, or use this to add additional notes. There is also an option to change its size. Just right-click on the text. Next, there is also an option where you can add a table. This is specifically a table of cards. Click on the table icon, then you can add a title. Under it is an empty card where you can add some information. I think this can be useful if you're using it for your subjects, like for notes or additional information. You can also fold the cards to have a minimal look on your desk. By clicking on the button, you can minimize the card size, but they also have an expand option, which is the default once you add a card. So we're now done with the menus and some of the basics. I will show you now how quick and easy it is to look for an information or content in the search bar if you utilized the boards or hashtag feature. You can simply search for a word here and it will automatically show you the cards under that keyword, hashtag, or board. And by clicking on it, you can easily locate the card. And the last feature I will talk about is their sharing feature. Scrintal allows you to share a card or a board with your groupmates or colleagues so you can collaborate on ideas and work with one another. If you share a board, your friends will have access to all of the cards within a specific board. I will now share my thoughts on this note-taking app. So I can say that it is very easy to use and navigate. It is beginner and a student-friendly app. This is really useful for visual learners. It allows you to plan and organize your thoughts. Although it is a startup app, it already has nice features and useful tools. Over time, it will have more improvements and additional features to help you as a user and level up your experience using the app. So yes, that is all for Scrintal. So if you want to try out this app, I have a link down below in the description box. And before I end this video, I would like to thank Scrintal for sponsoring this video. Anyways, here is the video's shout out. If you want to be included in the next video, comment below what type of learner are you. Are you a visual learner, auditory, verbal, or reading and writing learner? Would love to know what type of learner are you. And yes, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got something from this video. So if you like it, click on the like button below and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And yes, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye, guys. I just noticed that the shirt I'm wearing is the same color as my background. Wow.